Peace and blessings. Welcome to Rita Be Creative. In today's video, we share a creative glam nightlight chandelier using an exhaust vent cover as part of our bathroom powder room makeover series. This video is not sponsored. Check the description box for more information as well as affiliate links. The self-adhesive gold trim was purchased for another exciting project that's in the works. We will use just a tad bit around the perimeter of the vent cover. To limit smudges on the glass crystals, only one glove is used, which will also help to avoid challenges when working with the metal rings. The strings of glass crystal garland will be separated into smaller strands consisting of 8 beads. The crystal teardrop came with 2 attached beads, which will make the final length a total of 10 beads plus the teardrop. Because we're using glass crystals, the cover could only use 20 strands without being too heavy. There is a plastic version of this garland, which the weight would not be an issue. Therefore, more could be used for a fuller look. A heating gun or hair dryer in our case can be used to warm up the glue for a better hold. It also gives more flexibility for molding the trim around corners. The puck light will be attached to the center of the vent with double-sided tape and operated by remote control with many settings to choose from. Although it will not be noticed from the ceiling, gold leaf is applied over the beginning and end cuts. We have a few more videos before the bathroom tour, so stay tuned. If you missed any of the previous videos in this series, we have a convenient playlist which will be linked at the end of this video. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, stay safe and be blessed.